The vulnerability report provides information about vulnerabilities from scans of the default branch. It is available for groups, projects, and the Security Center. At all levels, the vulnerability report contains the total of vulnerabilities per severity level, filters for common vulnerability attributes, and details of each vulnerability presented in a tabular layout. We can sort by status, severity, tools, and activity. When we click on a vulnerability, we have detailed information on that vulnerability as well as its status. We can go ahead and change that status, and we can now see that it has been resolved. There's also information about the vulnerability, a solution, and evidence about where the vulnerability occurred. We can also add comments to collaborate on our findings. This vulnerability report can also be seen at the group level, where we'll have an extra parameter for projects. We can also export this report in CSV format.